In this video, I will show you how to change country in Temu. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to change your country on Temu, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, come across to Temu and log into your account. Once you're logged in, if you come up to the top, you're going to see your name up here. Hover over this to bring up this menu, and what you want to do is come down and click onto your profile. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen like this. And from here, if you come across to this menu on the left-hand side, what you want to do is click onto country, region, and language. You can see the options just here. And from here, what you can do is now go ahead and change your country or region. So just a note, if you do change the country region you shop from, item availability, prices, shipping fees, and taxes may change, including, of course, items in your cart. But to go ahead and change your country, all you need to do is click onto this drop-down box here, and you can go ahead and change your country from here. From the available list, you can see there's some countries that are currently unavailable down here. Also, you can use the search box at the top if you want to change your country. So say, for example, you've moved to a different country. Let's take France, for example. And what you would do is simply select your country that you want to change to from the list. And you're going to get a pop-up like this saying you want to shop in your chosen country. Again, just a quick reminder that item availability, prices, shipping fees, and taxes may change. To confirm, just simply go ahead and click the switch to button down here. What that's going to do is reload Temu in your chosen country. So that is how to change country in Temu. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.